Good morning, 2388. Uh-oh, missed one. You can see it's kind of damp up there. Looks like there's a fairly heavy dew this morning, so it might not be an early day of combining. I'm gonna service up these combines, and we'll get cooking on some wheat soon. Welcome to the Red River Valley of North Dakota. A land flowing with milk and honey. You're watching Beet Farmin Mitch. Well, checked the oil and greased her up down in the engine bay. I had to add a little bit of oil, but when I'm servicing these combines, I'm always checking for bearings out or different problems or things like that. And I did find a bearing out. Can see the bearings out. That should be a piece of cake to replace, so that's about as easy as it gets. So that looks like a common bearing. That shouldn't be any problem. But better let my uncle know. He'll probably go pick it up and we'll get her patched up here and ready to rock. That bearing is out. So it should be a pretty easy fix, but I guess if you can pick it up, I'll take it off here and stuff. Yeah, no, if you have a 9/16 in that Allen wrench size and block color, you know, hammer and punch, it should be pretty easy. Okay, yep, sounds good. Well, we're gonna get her off anyway. Well, my uncle's gonna go get the new one and put that on there, but I'm gonna take the old one off. Oh, I bought a new punch. Where is it? Which is the new one? I think it's this one. Yeah, there it is. And this is why we service combines every morning. I'd rather fix it now when it's too wet to combine than stop the combines overgrowing. See if we can get the old bearing off. This is always the fun part. Ah, she's coming. Sometimes that part gets rusted on there, and you gotta torch it off, and that's not always fun. Pick this up. Oh, half in. Dang it. We'll shine her up. And we gotta throw a little anti-seize on too. This helps if when you put the new bearing on, it doesn't get stuck when it goes out again. Good old Case IH flagship combines. Well, these ones are actually less work. Pretty much fuel them up, blow them out, do a quick visual inspection, couple things to grease, but not much. Don't think I'll find any bearings out. These ones seem like they're built a little better. Get these serviced up and we'll see you in the combine. Off to the races. You can see over here the wheat is kind of lodged. It's laying down a little bit more. Heavier wheat there, which is good. So I got to make sure I got my sickle and my reel down far enough because I don't want to be leaving wheat behind. Another field. I don't know, this is a lot of wheat for this combine. A lot of header. Alright, we're officially in first person mode. We're gonna cross over this coulee and start working on this little piece over here. Night shift. Well, it ain't sugar beet harvest yet, but it'll be here before you know it. Looks like like a good place to call it a night. Well, that's all she wrote for tonight, and we're close to finishing wheat harvest, so I don't want to leave you hanging, so we'll see you in the morning. Yeah, looks like Grandma's here. Okay, so here we got my Aunt Judy and Grandma Clarice. How you guys doing?
We're great.
Well, and Judy brought a special surprise. She got red pepper grinders for us. But we better keep rolling. Good to see you guys.
Have a great day.
Well, this is gonna hit the spot. I packed a light lunch today, so thank you, Judy, for bringing those out. And I always love when family comes to see harvest and whatnot because, you know, I mean, my aunt and many uncles, they grew up on the farm, and this is what they did, you know, this is their lives. And a little bit bigger headers nowadays, though. 45-footer back in the day at the old 914, picking up 15, 18-foot swaths, whatever it was. A little different. Because you kind of got to keep moving, but you got to stop and, you know, smell the roses a little bit. And I know my grandma, she loved just watching combines and harvest and going on cruises. So it really brightens the day and brings some joy into farming, that's for sure. And I even still got some coffee left to wash it down with. Lord, thank you for my family and how awesome they are. And thank you for this combine and wheat and this food and all the memories and all the history. And God bless the food and the hands that made it. In Jesus' name. Harvest 2023. Wheat Harvest 2023 is a wrap. Still got a long ways to go. Harvest is just getting started. We still got pinto beans and sugar beets and corn and sunflowers and soybeans and all kinds of good stuff. Wheat harvest holds a very special place in my heart. It's pretty good. I mean, look at this golden stubble field. It's pretty beautiful. And look at this mean combine and header. It's pretty legit. This is Beet Farmin Mitch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep it sweet.